Hello, I want to talk to you about how to build a house in a year or two, how to become a landlord in a year or two, and we are starting right now. Yeah, welcome back. What you are looking at today is how to become a landlord this year or over 2 years, over a period of 2 years. Happy day to you. Welcome to a brand new week. What's your plan for this week? I guess part of your plan for this year or for the next 2 years is to become a landlord. Land appreciates, so plan very well to invest in properties this year. Let me start by asking you to stand up as you are watching this video. Stand up. If you are lying down on your bed, stand up. Sitting on the chair, stand up. Anywhere you are, stand up. Are you standing now? That's good. If you own a house, whether in the city, in the town, or in the village, you can sit down. That's good. Now, those of you still standing, if you have a building under construction in the city, town, or village, you can sit down. That's good. Those of you still standing, if you have a foundation on your land, whether in the city, town, or village, you can sit down. That's good. Those of you still standing now, if you have bought any amount of land of your own, whether in the city, in the town, or the village, you can sit down. Now, you that you are not sitting down, now others that are not sitting down have not done the right thing regarding becoming a landlord. No matter how big your vehicle is, you cannot sleep inside of it continuously. You need a roof over your head. The reason why most people do not become landlords are not far-fetched. A lot of money flow through hands of every working individual year by year. Some give reasons that they do not have sufficient funds to start. In fact, analysis have shown that uneducated artisans or artisans generally build houses faster than the educated white-collar job workers. The white-collar job workers keep procrastinating. They want to buy expensive land in the city. They want to start building big, and they want to build big, but they do not have big money to do that most times. But most artisans will go into the bush. They will buy land in the bush at very ridiculously small price, and then they leave it to appreciate for some years. As it's appreciating, they are laying block by block, 100 blocks today, 200 blocks next week, 100 blocks upper week. Gradually, the building is taking shape. The following steps should be explored in becoming a landlord. The first step is you have a plan A. Under plan A, number one under plan A is to buy land near cities if you cannot afford land in the main city. Land is usually cheaper some kilometers away from the last development in the city. Make sure you secure the land by doing some physical developments on the land as soon as you can, depending on your financial capability. Make sure you are friendly with people around the land so they can help you monitor any encroachment. Plan to do some work on the site every month or once in 3 months, that is quarterly at most. It does not matter how large or small you can afford. Just do something every time. Little drops of water make a mighty ocean. Continue this way up to roofing level. Take a break at roofing level to gather resources for the roofing because it has to be done once and entails a lot of capital. After roofing, continue the work as the money flows in, but try to do the once in 3 months work, that is quarterly. Gradually, it will keep moving. Avoid broadcasting that you have a site, because that can slow or end the work. It's a proven law whose reason is not known. Let the plumber and electrician do their bit as time goes on. Fix the window burglary and doors. Do the soak away and other such works. Continue that way until you complete the finishing to your taste. You can secure loans from appropriate lending outlets such as banks and others to finance your building. You can explore mortgage facilities from mortgage banks too. Plan B of how to become a landlord in a short time is to look for buildings under construction or that is completed, that is put out for sale for any reason, but at a good price, and go for it. Develop it to your taste after buying. People may want to sell their properties for any reason, and you can take advantage of such offers. Now, we have land available for sale all over Nigeria, and we also have houses available for sale all over Nigeria. We can help to link you with reputable outlets if you want direct purchase or any kind of purchase that you want. All these we can help you to fix them once you get in touch with us. My email is neugbenga@yahoo.com, neugbenga@yahoo.com. This, you can drop your comments below on ways by which you think that in addition to this one can build a house. I am going to talk to you some other time. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel and start the building today. Start the building today. Bye for now. Subscribe.